Chapter 4 Determinants. Adjoint of matrix 2 cross 2. How to find out adjoint of a matrix 2 cross 2. Suppose a matrix is given A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. A matrix of order 2 cross 2. Then first we will find out A11, that is cofactor of 1. A11 is cofactor of 1. So that is equal to minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1. It is present in first row and first column. First row, first column. So 1 plus 1 into M11 means minor of 1 1. How to find out minor of 1 1? Remove the row and the column in which this 1 is present. So 1 is present. So 4. So you'll get minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1, that is minus 1 raised to 2. Minus 1 raised to even number 1 will be plus 1. And minor of 1 1 is 4. So 1 into 4 will be 4. Then you find out A12. That is cofactor of the element 2. First row, second column. So that will be minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2 into M12. So remove the row and the column, 3. Minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2 is minus 1 raised to 3, that is minus 1 into 3 minus 3. Same way you find out the cofactor of 3, then cofactor of 4. Cofactor of 3 will be 822, that will be minus 1 raised to, 821. My cofactor of 3, 821. So minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1 into M21. So that is equal to minus 1 raised to 3, that will be minus 1 into cofactor of 3. So remove the row and the column in which 3 is present, so 2. So minus 2. Same way 822, that is cofactor of 4, that will be minus 1 raised to 2 plus 2 into M22, that is remove the row and the column, 1. So 1 into 1, that is 1. Okay. So now adjoint of A is defined as cofactor of 1, cofactor of 2, cofactor of 3, cofactor of 4, that is A11, A12, A21, A22 whole transpose. That is first row will become first column, A11, A12. Second row will become second column, A21, A22. So now put the values corresponding. This A11 is 4, A12 is minus 3, so 4 minus 3. A21 is how much? Minus 2. You put here A21 minus 2. A22 is what? 1. So this is a which one? Adjoint of a given matrix A1, 2, 3, 4. But in short, how to find out the cofactor of a 2 cross 2 matrix is very simple. Suppose this matrix is A 2 minus 3 4 5. Then how to find out its cofactor? Just exchange these two values which are in principal diagonal. So interchange these two elements of the principal diagonal. So 5 will come here and 2 will come here. Interchange what? Principal diagonal elements, and interchange the sign of the secondary diagonal elements. So the sign of 3 is minus, so change, so it will be plus 3. The sign of 4 is plus, so change, minus 4. So how to find out the 2 cross adjoint of 2 cross 2 matrix? In short, just interchange the principal diagonal elements and interchange the sign, SIGN sign of the secondary diagonal elements.